Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a video play automatically in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click new slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to insert menu and click this video drop down menu. Now click this device. Now go to your video file location and choose this video and click insert. Now go to playback menu, then click this start in click sequence. Now click automatically. Now go to your first slide and now we check the video to play automatically. Click this slideshow icon. Now you can see video play automatically in Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.